Hi, this is Terry with Trusted Water, and today we're going to show you how to collect a water sample to use for your Snapshot water inspection kit. Once you've decided which water outlet you want to test, and normally it's going to be a kitchen sink where water is used for cooking or drinking, you grab your sample bottle from your Snapshot inspection kit. Each kit comes with a 250 ml high density polyethylene sample bottle. The first sample we're going to collect is called a first draw sample. You bring the sample bottle over to the faucet and make sure that you always use cold water, never hot. We're going to collect the very first water that comes out. This is the first draw sample. You fill the bottle to the top with the very first water that comes out of the faucet. Put the cap back on, and it's as simple as that. That is your first draw sample. This sample will be used to test for heavy metals like copper, chromium, or lead. And we want the first draw sample because that's the water that's been sitting stagnant in the pipes and where you will have the most leaching of heavy metals from the plumbing fixtures. So the concentration of those contaminants will be higher in stagnant water. So we want to capture that as it comes out of the faucet right away. The next sample that you're going to collect is called a first flush sample. That sample will be used to test all of the other parameters in your water inspection kit, especially chlorine if you're in a public water system. So what we do is we let the water, again, using nothing but cold water, we let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. We won't do that here to save some time. But after it's run for 2 to 3 minutes, you turn down the flow so you have a nice steady stream that doesn't have any bubbles or air. Again, fill up the bottle, and in this case we're going to let it overflow a little bit so that we don't have any air space or head space at the top of the bottle. So here we have it full and it's overflowing. Then you put the cap on. And the reason we do that is because we're going to be measuring chlorine if we have a public water system. Chlorine is a gas that will evaporate as soon as we take this top off. So we don't want to have any head space or air space in there that allows that gas to escape from the liquid before we sample it. So after you've collected this sample, you can dry it off, and you can start running your tests. When you're done running your tests, we recommend emptying the bottle and then using a paper towel to dry it out. And that's it. Please check out our other videos on how to use the water inspection kit.